Yo, what's up, YouTube? In this video, we're gonna be talking about. This is Kelvin from KelvinRivas.net. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to set up a domain for your Shopify store, or how to put your domain into your Shopify store. Either way, so what you'll do is you'll go to your Shopify store. It'll probably look like this. .my Shopify store, and you want it to be like a .com or .net. You can buy one here, which you'll buy it from, like, let's say I was buying one stop shop now today, something like that. It'll cost $14 a year, or you can go on namecheap.com, which is where I get my domains from, and you can get them for, like, I don't know, let's see. No, actually the best place, but you'll have to go here. One stop shop today now. Let's just make something up. See how much a .com costs. Domain here. Click the link below if you want to get 500 of the top Shopify store themes, so you can model them, and it's a cheat sheet PDF. So yeah, .com costs 12 here. I know there's 14. So yeah, you choose. I mean, it's not a big difference, but I buy my domains in Namecheap. So let's make an example here of how to add a domain. So what you do is, after you bought the domain, oh wait, I already bought it, so I don't have to buy it here. You can choose connect existing domain. So here you put in the URL of the domain that you bought, and you want to connect to your Shopify store, so that domain replaces .my Shopify from there. And then after you do that, it will say view instructions, and then after that, this will give you the instructions, manage. Then it says go to advanced. It says add new record. Add new record. Automatic A record. Okay. It says copy that A record. Copy that and make it automatic. I think I'll just put it right here. Put that. Make it automatic. Okay. A record. And then it says URL redirect. www. Oh, it says delete that. To delete this URL redirect stuff. And then click CNAME. Parking page.namecheap.com. CNAME www. Wait, what is it saying there? Click the value CNAME row. www. Okay, now you want to put shops.my Shopify and make it automatic. It's already automatic. Shops.my Shopify. Check. Step 8. Verify connection. You probably want to give it a few minutes to, like, sync up together. But let's just try and see if it works. Yeah, so there you go. It says it works. Then you want to change your primary domain to the domain you just bought. There you go. You successfully changed your primary domain from Namecheap. Now we can visit the primary domain. So if you bought a .com for your store, it would be .com, and there it is. So you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, comment, thanks or something. haven't started your Shopify store, click the link below. Get started with the free trial. Want the top 500 stores? Click the link below. See you in the next video. Peace.